guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samira Danae, and I'm back with another vlog or whatever. So guys, before I get into today's video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Please subscribe, join the gang, and also be sure to leave a comment. So guys, I am currently in my room. I'm gonna try to edit a video today and get that posted for Sunday, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and get ready for today. Like I said, I'm not sure what's in the plans today. I was supposed to go to lunch with my mom, but I don't know if that's happening anymore. So after I edit this video, I'm gonna try to get it up, and then I'm gonna get ready, so and figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair, because I don't know if I want to keep my hair like in this little slick bun. I want to try this wet look, so I might try that today. And yeah, so I just wanted to update y'all. So I'll see y'all once I get out the shower and start getting myself together. So hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. It is currently 4:55. And me and my sister decided to go eat outside today, so I'm about to go pick up my sister, and then we're gonna head to this restaurant and we're gonna eat outside. So hopefully there's no issues with seating outside. So yeah, I'm about to go pick her up. I did a little light beat today, like a glowy type of makeup feel, and I just slicked my hair back. I was going to try this wet look, but it was not coming out right, so I just decided to slick it back. It's super hot in Philly, so I have on this pink little dress. I have on some sandals, and I have this pink bag, and then my shades. So I'm about to go pick Malia up, so I'll see y'all once I get to her.
Yeah, I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit, finish income on my outfit, I don't text quick, cause I ain't
where the heck it go? It's called, yeah, Cactus. So guys, me and Malia are about to go eat, but we're trying to see if we want to change locations, because we were originally supposed to go to this place called Craft, but I think I want a margarita and some tacos. So if Cactus is a Mexican, it is Mexican. What their menu look like?
Southwestern and Mexican.
Oh,
Meal.
y'all, it's so freaking hot in Philly. My car say 99 degrees outside. Well, I want a quesadilla.
Got enchiladas, fajitas, quesadillas,
Yes.
burritos, tacos.
All right, let's go there. That's all I need to hear. So we, all right, so we're going to Cactus, y'all. It's a Mexican restaurant, so we about to get off the car. You said you got quarters?
Yep.
Well, we're gonna be sitting right there anyway, so we can see if like somebody come in, try to get my car. All right, let's go. So y'all, we are sitting outside. We just ordered margaritas. I ordered a strawberry margarita. Malia ordered a blue raspberry. What you think about getting to eat? I think I might want to get tacos. Tacos or fajitas or quesadilla. Oh my god, everything just sounds so good right now. I might. Y'all, so I am so irritated. Like, that food was trash, and we did not think about going somewhere else like until it was too late. But that food was trash, and the drink was watery as fuck. So I'm irked. Like, we could have went to Copa's, or we could have went somewhere downtown, but it is what it is. We about to go down South Street, and we're about to get some rolled ice cream, because neither one of us had it before, so we're about to go get some rolled ice cream. So yeah, that's where we're about to go now. So y'all, we made it to South Street. We're about to find this rolled ice cream place, so we're about to head there now. Wait, so this is Lombard. So South Street is what, the next one over. It's all these cars down South Street, so I know it's about to be packed. Now we got our rolled ice cream. Yo, there's so many people out here. Like, these people are crazy. We're about to walk for a little bit, and then we're gonna go back to the car. So I just wanted to update y'all, whatever. Good morning, y'all. So it is the next day. It's currently 10:36 in the morning, and I'm at Dunkin'. But y'all, let me tell you how Dunkin' is playing with me. They really playing with me. I went through the drive-thru. I ordered a small French vanilla iced coffee with extra cream and extra sugar. I get my coffee and I taste it and there's no sugar in there. So I pulled back in the parking lot. I went inside and I said, there's no sugar. I want this made over. And the guy made it over and now it tastes super good. But I'm just irritated. It's like the third time that Dunkin' messed up my order. Like, they're really getting on my nerves. Like, they're really trying it. Like, I'm gonna have to start going into the locations, tasting my drink before I leave, because no, I keep ordering and then I leave and I realize that it's not how it's supposed to be or how I want it to be. So anyway, I'm about to go to another Ross just to see what they have in there. I'm not going to go to the same one I went to yesterday. I'm going to a different one just to browse and see what they have. So that's what I'm about to. So y'all, I'm back home. The Ross did not have nothing at all. So I came back home, I got in the shower. Now I'm about to do a face mask. I'm going to be doing this papaya brightening face mask today. It smells, oh, it smells really good. And I got this from Target. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna start getting ready. On the agenda today, I am going to my aunt's house in Jersey. She's having a cookout, so we're going over there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Hang out with some family and just have a good time. So that's what I'm getting ready for now. Oh my god, y'all, this mask smells so good. And it was only like, I think these masks cost like $2, and it's the Cubella brand. And this is a peel off mask, so I'm gonna let it dry and then you peel it off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing the rest of my skincare routine, because I need my skin to be glowing. Okay, it's nice outside, it's not too hot like it was yesterday, so it feels perfect. And I got a little look that I'm putting on today, so I'm gonna look super cute. I gotta get some pictures for the gram or whatever. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the field. I also have to do my hair, because I'm not wearing my hair slicked back like that. I might put like a braid or something on it for today. So I wanted to come and show y'all this J roller I got from Ross yesterday, along with this handband. It came as a set, but I am so excited about this. I've been wanting one of these for like the longest. Like, I'm so into like skincare and things like that, so these type of things really get me excited. But it's supposed to like make your skin tighter, and it's for under eye puffiness. So if you have puffiness under your eye, you'll just roll it like this from the inner corner to the outer corner, and you basically just do this all over your face for about 5 minutes. And I like to do this part because I got like a little double chin a little bit, so I don't know, maybe it'll make this firmer. But I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to do my makeup and stuff. So I am all dressed. Look at this ponytail, came out really good. It's really long, y'all. Look, come all the way down to my booty. But yes, I gotta show y'all. I have to show y'all this fit because I'm looking real fire. I'm feeling like a joint today. I gotta take some cute pictures or whatever, but I'm about to show y'all my outfit, so hold on, y'all. So y'all, this is my fit. I have on this little white dress I got from Fashion Nova, and I have on these shoes and with this bag. It's a look. Y'all, I'm really looking really good. I'm feeling myself. This little outfit is super cute. But I'm about to head to go pick up my sister now, and then we're gonna head to Jersey.
What you've done to me, I can't really explain it. I'm so into you.
Yo, look how nice this area is. Oh my god, this is cool. These big ass houses. Yes. We got a turn right here. It's our house right there.
Right here.
Not this first one, but I think this second one. Wow.
Yes.
I know it's farther than I'm lying. So yo, we made it to my aunt's house. Like, these houses over here is nice as fuck. Who's this? I don't even. Yes. So nice. It feels so good out here today, y'all. It's not as hot as it was yesterday. Oh, she got hammocks. Oh my god. I think they are hammocks. Yeah. Oh wait, 336. Let me make sure before I walk up on anybody's property, but I believe that's Tamira's car right there. Yeah, that's it. Look at my freaking house, y'all. So cute and chunky. He in his own little world.
I need to know where I'm staying at.
My annoying ass sneaks. Take your hand off your face. Take your hand off your face. Anya, she's 14 years old now and she thinks she's grown, but she not. LOL. Girl, you could have just laughed. I had to say LOL.
Because I say LOL.
Bye, girl. Put it on this one. It's going to knock the sodas over. Put it on that one. Do it again. Ooh! Yo, this is my favorite cousin. Period. Yes, my cousins out here.
Open drawers. I need another one.
I ain't getting in there either. You done broke it. You could get in the long way. Like, you're supposed to like lay in it kind of. Yeah, like that. Woo! No. You need help. That joint knocked me right in my fucking head. Yeah, I don't know how she's scared. Yo, look at my aunt's backyard. This is her backyard. I don't know what this is. This is scary. This is scary. This is scary to have right in the back of your house. Right, it's probably.
Yo, y'all wanna see a dead body?
It's probably bodies and stuff back here.
Y'all wanna see a dead body?
Yo, I'm freaking lit. Okay. It's my aunt, y'all. That's all you gotta do. Why you throwing the rocks, Carly? You gotta put them back over here. Carly, you gotta put them back over here. Because this is where they belong. Come on, come put them back. Carly, come put them back. Yeah. Put them back. Jump. Jump, Kylie. Let me see you get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the pink one. Pink. Is that pink?
Yeah, that's pink.
Yes, good job. Ooh, go Kylie. Go Kylie. Ooh. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yo, please tell me she about to get slapped. Who does she think she is? She turned 14 and don't know how to act.
Said this like 5 times.
So what could you think you grown? 14, honey, not 16. Let me see your nails. Look at these nails. First of all, y'all, I don't even get nails. You see this? You want to say hi to my vlog, Susu? Yeah, you want to say hi? Oh.
Hold on my phone. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I'm trying to learn these hills. Pay cash and then he post. I can't show nobody where my mama live. That's how